हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लेके आया हूँ कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर रोल। So if you are already working in this domain or looking to switch to this domain, then you can refer this video. वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे एंड विल सी द नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ salary these companies are offering, the location of these companies who are hiring currently for this position, etc. वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। माई नेम इज हरीश सिंह। आई एम अ ब्लॉगर, अ यूट्यूबर एंड अ जॉब सर्च कंसल्टेंट एज वेल। एंड टाइम टू टाइम आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, अपने फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू और अपने इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ। So if you are looking to get latest job notifications, updates, then you can refer this video. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, share it, and also you can subscribe to my Facebook page, my Instagram page. You can also follow my Instagram page as well, which is visible in front of your screen right now.
फ्रेंड्स आगे हम अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और अब देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं, किस लोकेशन में अवेलेबल हैं और क्या सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। उससे पहले जस्ट वांटेड टू लेट यू नो अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज विच इज जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, which you can subscribe if you want regular and daily notifications about the latest job. Also, my website www.callcentertalks.com, where you can submit your job application form for if you're looking job in any domain. So you can submit your job application form over there. Please do visit the site for all the latest job notifications as well. Now let's look into the job piece. So the first company name is RENESAS. This company is in Bangalore. Experience they are looking for 5+ years and they are hiring for Power BI developer role. Salary they are offering is 9 lakhs per annum to 16 lakhs per annum, which is quite decent for experience of 5+ years. Now, if you look to the job summary, what they are looking for is a BI specialist with experience of 5 years, Power BI preferred. And what they want is basically the analyst will work in the global sales centralized analytics and reporting ops team. The Power BI developer will focus on developing dashboards and reports using Oracle, SQL Server, and other sources, and also must be able to deploy and maintain PBI reports and dashboards. Must be able to manage the scheduling and access control in PBI, and also good to have knowledge of SSAS cubes. So it means this job is basically for analytics profile, where your work would be to analyze the sales data, to get the sales data, to analyze it, to provide recommendation, and to prepare dashboards so that team can extract the dashboard, can have the dashboards, and they can have the visibility about their business. So this is about the job summary. Now the skills they are looking for is proficient in Power BI development, proficient in SQL, and ability to modify procedures in Oracle and SSIS in SQL Server, ability to debug Power BI dashboard and modify existing dashboard. It means आपको Power BI dashboard आना चाहिए आपको, if you want to add something, if your stakeholder asks you to add some other content in the Power BI dashboard or to edit something, you should know about it. Now, I have given the bit.ly link in my description box as well. And also, if you want to apply for the job post, you can simply click on the bit.ly link which I've provided in the description box. Now, the second job is for the company in QUESS. They are hiring for Power BI developer, 3 to 7 years of experience. They are looking for. Location is again in Bangalore. Salary is 6 lakhs per annum to 8 lakh, sorry, 10 lakhs per annum. And education is BE. Now they have simple roles and responsibilities, experience in Power BI on cloud, preferably Azure, hands-on experience in workspace creation management. Secondly, gateway creation and management, performance tuning Power BI deployments, hands-on server handling in Azure, handling vulnerabilities. So if you have experience in Power BI on cloud, especially in Azure, then you can definitely apply for the job post. Now the required skills they are looking for is candidate should have overall 5+ years of experience and should have 3+ years of experience in Power BI admin experience. So you should have the experience of Power BI administration, at least must be 3 years. Now, if you want to apply for the job post, you can simply click this bit.ly link from my description box and can apply for the job post. If you are not aware about this company, which is named as QUESS, they can. This company is basically infotech. Now, QUESS IT Staffing is India's largest IT staffing company with over 20 years of experience in staffing IT professionals. So this is staffing professional company. The third company is AMERIPRISE India, which is in Gurgaon. They are hiring for senior Power BI developer, experience 4 to 6 years. Education is bachelor degree in computer science, engineering or related field. And salaries, they have not disclosed it, but this is competitive. It means you'll get a decent salary hike from your last one. Now, roles and responsibilities: develop, enhance SSRS Power BI dashboard from end to end, perform an issue solution, collaborate with vendor contractor partners to develop and implement the detailed design configuration. It means the basic work of a Power BI developer, which is basically to administrate the Power BI dashboard, to edit something, to add something, or how to extract the data, how to analyze the data from your Power BI visualization. So this is the basic role, and they are looking for, I think, the basic roles and responsibilities of a Power BI dashboard, a Power BI developer, sorry. And what they're looking for is provide day-to-day BAU support for the property applications. Got it? Now, the required skills they are looking for is bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering or related field or equivalent work experience, in-depth knowledge and experience working on Power BI of at least 4 to 6 years, strong in writing optimization, optimized queries, strong stored procedures, functions in database, SSRS, Python knowledge you should have, PowerShell experience you should have. Now, if you want to apply for the job post, you can simply click on the bit.ly link, which is I have already given in my description box.